there we go. Now it's time to pull that thing out. All right, time to pull this thing out. First thing I'm gonna do is shut the water off down below, right down here. And right there. Okay, got the water shut off. Now I'll go ahead and disconnect the hoses right there and right there. Okay, I got the water disconnected. Now what I gotta do is get back up in there and disconnect those right there. Beneath the sink, that way I can pull it up and then have to disconnect the plumbing too, the drain. Same with that one over there. Right up through there, but I have to disconnect this, the stopper. Have the stopper pull free. I'll loosen that right there. I'll disconnect this. This is going to be full. There we go, I spilled it everywhere. Cleanup time. Pull this out so this can come out too. Loose. I have to kind of jump there. It is. This thing's silicone down, so I'll have to get something to pry it up a little bit without breaking it. All right, I'm trying to do this without busting this thing. I'm going to save this for now in case I want to reuse it. So I'm just using a wood shim and a mallet and just kind of knocking it out around there. There we go.